I rebuke you. Shadows fall, you creep around, trying to plant seeds on sacred ground. But this ain't your garden, this ain't your place. Get away from me, leave no trace. You don't belong here, I'm standing strong. I got my Jesus where I belong. He's my shining bright armor, a shield so true. I'm wearing the armor of Jesus over me and you. You whisper doubts, you sow the fear, but His love is loud, His presence is here. Your lies are weak, your power is vain. Against His glory, you cannot remain. You don't belong here, I'm standing strong. I got my Jesus where I belong. He's my shining bright armor, a shield so true. I'm wearing the armor of Jesus over me and you. I feel your presence, I hear you call, but I renounce you, standing tall. My spirit's stronger, my faith is bright. You can't touch me, bathed in His light. You don't belong here, I'm standing strong. I got my Jesus where I belong. He's my shining bright armor, a shield so true. I'm wearing the armor of Jesus over me and you. In the name of my Jesus Christ, I rebuke you now. Out of my life I cast you somehow. Be gone, be banished, back to the night. I'm covered in Jesus, babe.